What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cari Beats back with a POV, as y'all can see, and it's a nighttime POV, man. We got the stars going. We got the ambient light changing colors. We got that thing in sport mode. Late night POV, man. At 1 o'clock in the morning, 1 a.m. 1 a.m. late night POV. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. You know what I'm saying? Get your boy to 20K the quick way, man. We on our way up to 20K. For all the new people watching right now, man, hit that sub button, man. Hit that like button. Comment down below what other videos you would like to see as far as POVs or mods or events you would like me to go to. Things of that nature. Just giving me ideas, bro. We got to work together with a team. There goes Scat right there. Cut down shifting. He might don't know I'll bust a right on him right now. I'll bust a right. I ain't gonna do it though. He ain't worth my time. I'm ready to go home. I ain't gonna need to hold you. Stick 'em. I ain't did a stick 'em in so long, man. Boy, good car crew, man. How y'all boy been, man? I really want me something to drink, bro. I'm thirsty. I should have went to the store. I ain't gonna care. Oh, they closed anyway, lame, man. I want me a Baja Blast, ugly eye. Folk love some cookout late at night, boy. Yeah, man, car crew, what y'all boy been on, man? I feel like it been a minute since I done recorded a video, but how y'all boy day going? How your night going? Whatever time you watching this video. Hopefully y'all like this view. I got the lights as bright. Well, I got the interior lights as bright as I can. I need something. I need a light up airbag, bro. That'll make this 10 times better, not gonna lie. I think I need to go ahead and get that, bro. Stop being lame. Y'all comment down below if I should get a light up airbag. A light up airbag for Olivia. They either say SRT or I can get something custom, just as long as it light up. They can say Scatpack, I don't care what it say. As long as it light up. I really want the one that change color though, like the white, the other color, that white hard. I probably keep it on white most of the time. I'm low-key thinking about pulling up Taco Bell. See, y'all boys ain't never been on a POV like that. When a nigga pull up, let me see, bro. Like, it's a couple people in line. If it is, I might not even go. Hey, cap. Damn. It's a good minute of them, man. Y'all boy lame. Go home. I just want to buy Baja Blast, bro. Damn. I just want a little Baja Blast, cuz. God damn. God damn. I just playing. But yeah, I will for that. Guess I'm just gonna be a thirsty motherfucker today. Yeah, man, nighttime POV is so peaceful, bro. It's just, the lighting just don't be that good. Like, you know, you could ride like this, but that just look, you know what I'm saying, crazy to me. When you ride like that all night. You give me a thumbnail anyway. Slow down right here. Can't be too dumb. But yeah, y'all let me know how y'all like the ambient light and flipping color, man. So I keep it changing color like that instead of just one solid color. Kind of give it a little illusion, you know what I'm saying? Is that McDonald's open? I think that McDonald's be 24 hours on the weekend. That's what they say. They be capping too, bro. Why McDonald's lie so much? Like, they just be lying for no reason. Oh, I see somebody in line. I know they lying slow though. I just want something to drink, cuz. Orange hot C would hit right now. What y'all think, car crew? What y'all think, car crew? Large orange hot C? Let's see. They gonna be like, nigga, you came in here to get an orange high C? I'm be like, yes. Yes, I did. Thug laugh. Hey, Hyundai, your home grab. A Honda. Thug laugh. And they're from Florida. Bro, go home, bro. Y'all be niggas from out of state to be in Georgia just doing stuff. Y'all ain't never realize that? Like, especially the Florida folk, bro. Florida boy. Oh, somebody just spent time. Florida boy. You know what I'm saying? My bad. I was trying to see something on the camera. But yeah, Florida boy. Who else? Y'all North Carolina folk, they be coming down here. Some of y'all folk be from Iowa. I be like, bro, what are y'all doing? Like, why are you down here, bro? Why are you driving at this point? North Carolina, you know, you kind of cool, but niggas, I done seen niggas from Nebraska and Georgia. I done seen niggas from, I said Iowa. Ohio. I did see people from Iowa too, but Ohio, all the places way up there, bro. I be like, bro, y'all had to be bored. Y'all just had to drive, bro. Or y'all got a phobia or something, but ain't no way, cuz. Ain't no way. Hey, hurry up. Damn. I ain't know about 8 times. Stay right here. But yeah, car crew, man. Nighttime POV be very soothing. I'm not gonna lie. It's underrated. And like driving at night when there ain't that much traffic, it's cool even without recording. But when you record it, it's just like, boy, if I could have the brightness. Let me see if I can turn it up some. If I could have the brightness, like, you know what I'm saying? Better. I forgot you could turn the brightness up while you record. But yeah, nighttime POV be lit, man. Y'all comment down below if y'all want me to do more nighttime POV, bro. Certain ones. You know what I'm saying? Y'all go check out my old videos as well. Those are lit. You feel me? People just, y'all new, so y'all ain't seen them. Y'all ain't did your homework and your research. You feel me? But y'all boy go check out them older videos, bro. My older videos so fire to me, bro. Like, that one I really was like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I was trying to get that 10K, and I got 10K, and the motivation was there, like, Like, right now, I ain't gonna cap. My motivation's still here, but it's not as on fire as it was then, bro. Like, it was something different, bro. Like, it was some kind of different fire, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That I had, bro, when the nigga hit 10K. Trying to get to where I'm at now. Crazy. But it's a blessing, man. I'm gonna get back to it. I'm getting back to it right now. As a recorder. Every time I record, bro, pick up the cameraman, then me getting to it. Getting back to it. You know what I'm saying? Getting back consistent. Whether I don't even rock with the POV or not. If it ain't the best POV, just being consistent, bro. That's how I got where I'm at. I always thought that was a myth. Consistency, dude, you know what I'm saying? It plays a part. It plays a role. It don't play a big role, but it plays a role, like a big enough role, you know what I'm saying? That's like on the basic where you don't know what to do. Like, if you don't know no YouTube knowledge, you're like, all right, as long as I just keep posting videos, put it in their face. You know what I'm saying? I should get something to eat just to make more sense. McDonald's gonna serve Big Mac, quarters, and nuggets. Say again? What the hell she say? Wow, that shit gonna repeat herself. Can I just get a large high C? Orange high C?
Anything else?
That'd be all.
$2.80.
Alright. Ah, damn. $2.80 for a cup? Y'all ain't even giving a nigga the bottle. I ain't giving a nigga a cup with a straw in that bitch. With some ice in that bitch. And I gotta pay $2.80, man? Yeah. Well, black folk, no they gonna, well, I ain't gonna say black folk. Me. I'm cheap. Yeah. I ain't rich yet. So I'm cheap. I wonder they're gonna get mad for me recording. They're gonna be like, what you doing? I'm gonna be like, minding my business. Yeah. What you doing? Hell yeah. Get y'all boys a little thumbnail. Hold on. My bad, I keep trying to get thumbnail. It's just funny. Late night POV at McDonald's. Come on, man. Ain't no nigga doing that, cuz. Tell me a POV y'all watch. And a nigga pick up something to eat. Y'all tell me, though. I really need this drink for free. Not gonna need hold y'all, boy. Not gonna even hold y'all, boy. I really need it for the free ski. It ain't nothing but some high C at 1 a.m. That's all it is, boy. That's all it is, Cari crew. Just a little high C, man. Sorry for just rambling. I know y'all like when people talking their POVs. I'm not a talker like I told y'all, but I can be for the sake of the video. So that's what I'm doing right now. But we finna see how we gotta put the camera down. Hey, I keep yawning. Damn. I'm put the camera down like this or hold my phone, something like that, bro. On some cool junk. Or just act like I got it holding to my mouth. Or something. Like I just record. And I don't want to just point it, keep pointing like this. Y'all can just see the whole interaction, man. It's just like if I had it on my head. These folks order like $30 worth of food, bro. Y'all boy tripping. People like, bro, if this you that watching this video right now, and you the type, bro, that come at 1 a.m., bro. Literally, bro. Y'all come at 1 a.m., cuz. Talking about some. Let me get a double quarter pounder all the way, large meal with a Diet Coke. That bitch had a mango smoothie, another Diet Coke, and let me get a Big Mac, a 10-piece, wings and things, ugly. Yeah, that's Florida for you. And Florida always got a dark tint. But them niggas can have a bicycle with a helmet on it. That helmet gonna have a dark tint on that bitch. Oh, but I just ran over a human. Y'all boy heard that? That bitch said, hop on. Look at it. Look at it in there working, man. Come on, shout it. $280, y'all, for Southern drink. Let me show y'all what $280 look like. Y'all let me know how much y'all large drink costs at y'all McDonald's. You know everybody different. It's been hard. Thank you.
Have a great night.
All right, you too. Oh, let me get right. Hold on. Yeah, but this is $280 right here. You see how big the steering wheel is? It's $280, cuz. Hold on. I'm trying to get creative with the thumbnail. Yeah. I don't know what my thumbnail gonna be. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Y'all gonna see y'all let me get right, cuz, before I ain't trying to curry rash or nothing. Damn. Yeah. Well, yeah, Cari crew. Slight little drink run. My mother nigga going a food run. But Cari B's going a drink running. Oh, hold your horses. Sweet mother of pearl, face up. Yeah, but yeah, man. Not little McDonald run, man. 1 a.m. POV driving is scared. Good Lord. Chill out, girl. Good, chill out, girl. But yeah, man. Just a quick little POV, man. Nothing too crazy, man. Y'all boy, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. If you are new, turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah, man. I'm gonna get back to it. Y'all boy wanna pull right quick? Hold on. Stick 'em. this is highly edited, you know what I'm saying? All this stuff is cap. This is not real. Anyway, yeah, man. Make sure y'all, boy, hit that like button, subscribe for your boy, man. You know what I'm saying? On the road to 20K, get your boy to 20K the quick way. You know what I'm saying? And what else I gotta say? Yeah, make sure y'all, boy, keep your head up, man. You know what I'm saying? Any dreams you're chasing, chase them. Have a good plan. Take good risks. Don't take risks that's gonna cost you everything, but take risks that you can afford. You feel me? I got another charger. And another charger. It must be charger night. Like, what's going on? Somebody charge my phone. Look like. Well, y'all boys, y'all boys stay up, man. For all of our religious folks, man, keep God first. Keep him in the mix. You feel me? Keep him first in everything that you do, man. Trust in him. Pray to him. Talk to him, man. Ask for his guidance and grace. You feel me? Folks don't understand how much grace we got, bro. Y'all boys, continue to ask for that grace. I appreciate that grace. You know what I'm saying? And favor over your life. It's a blessing to still be here and a blessing to watch this video if you're watching it. You know what I'm saying? So again, hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. And like I said at the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.